Hello, welcome to my tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up a target and use throwing knives or stars to the target and activate something. Let's start. First, we need a target, and you can search in meshes, search for dummy. At the bottom, you will see a target dummy. Put it to the level. You can also change this thing to any meshes you want, like the box, like the cylinders. Both of them are okay. And yeah, we will make some changes to this target. First, for the class, we need to change it to collision receiver. Yeah, second one. And then, very important, this step, you can find the react on player only. This parameter, uncheck this one. Because if you check this parameter, only the player's melee attack will affect on this dummy target, but not the throwing weapons. So remember, just keep this unchecked, false. Okay, next we will add the specific actions. On collision, double click this, and you can see one atom is added, and then you can see a lot of things in the list, a lot of actions you can play with. Well, in this tutorial, I will only select act movie. Yeah, these three parameters, as you can see, delay with condition. These three parameters will appear in most of the actions. And this one, movie, we will change this to what the movie we will want to trigger. I have already made one here. This is called movie 1, and you can see this is just this volume going down. So I choose this target movie here, and yeah, I think we have set up the target dummy. And next we need some weapons. Throwing weapon. Put a desk here, and just drag a atom spawner here. You can see atom spawner, and change this to a throwing weapon. Yeah, and put this on the desk, and everything is down. We can check in game if it works well. Okay. Now I will pick the knife, and this is our target. I will throw the knife. Yeah, you can see it is successfully trigger the movie. So it is very simple. Thank you for watching. Hello, welcome to the second part of the tutorial. Now you will learn how to copy some objects or functions from one map to another. Let's start. First, you need to select what objects you want to transfer. For example, in this map, I want to copy and transfer this to lamp here. Yeah, I want to transfer these two things to another map. So first we select both of them, and press Ctrl G. And now you will have need to name this group things. We call it test call it lamp samples, for example, and press save. And then you can check in data objects, and you can see the group file here. Yeah, you can see when you drag it to the map, yeah, you can see they're selected. Yeah, next step is right now you have made the group things, and if you need another option is if you need to set all the pivot to the default 0, 0, 0, you need to do these steps. You need to in the objects, select the object. We just give it a name called lamp samples. Yeah, you can see here, lamp samples. Okay, now right click, edit pivot, and go back to attributes, and you can see X, Y, Z. They have numbers here. If you press reset, you can see they both all of them come to 0, and now you reset all these assets to the default pivot. Yeah, okay, so we have this lamp samples, and we right now we can just check these things outside of the editor. Okay, I will quickly open my map folder and search for a current project folder. Yeah, you can see here in data, you will know this data folder is same as this one, so you can see all the structure here, and select objects, going to the folder, and you can see, yeah, our lamp samples is here. Just copy this and paste this EDS file to any maps you want. For example, I will search in my let's see, okay, scraping tutorial data, and then you can see in some maps you may not find objects folder. It is because you didn't transfer any objects. So what we need to do is create a new folder called objects. Okay, and then we paste our lamp samples here, in the objects folder. And right now we open this project. I have already opened this. And sometimes if you already opened the map and you copied something new, you need to refresh the map, because you can see right now in the data you cannot find objects folder. Right now we will refresh file system very fast, and you can see, yeah, objects, we have this folder. And now we can see, yeah, lamp samples in the objects folder, and we just simply drag this to the map And you can see, yeah, this is our lamp samples we want to transfer. And yeah, you can see, because we set the pivot to 0, 0, so you can see it is very tall here. Yeah, but in some most of these conditions, you didn't need to reset the pivot. Just select all of them and give it a name. Press Ctrl G, give it a name, and search for the object folders and find your object samples, and just simple copy and paste to another map. If you don't have an object folder, just create one, paste the transferred files into the folder, and open the new map. Everything's done. Very simple. Thank you for watching.